Hey guys, here to reclaim our minimum order quantity. Our MOQ is 30 pieces for one style, one color, 2 or 3 sizes. We can make t-shirt, hoodie, tracksuits, dresses, denim style, jacket, puff coat, etc. But for the professional yoga wear, professional active wear, and knit sweater and hats, MOQ will be 100 pieces. Okay, and many fashion brands need to have their own labels. Many suppliers ask for 5,000 pieces or 10,000 pieces as their MOQ. Here our MOQ for tags, the neck tags and hand tags. It will be 1,000 pieces. But don't be scared by the quantity. It is very cheap stuff, even it is 1,000 pieces. And for logo bands, the ribbon, you know at least 1,000 yards to order, and you need to do sample first. But don't be scared by 1,000 yards, which is absolutely not that much as you thought. Just ask your manufacturer the price. Well, ApparelWin always offers small quantity production solution for fashion brands. If you are running your brands and have requests for more new idea for small quantity production, leave messages. We will back to you soon. Thanks and bye.